HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art!
Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a Christmas tree, Santa and a reindeer. Start with an outline for Santa. First his hat, then draw his face, a nose and his smile. Time for his big round body. Draw his hands. High five, Santa. And then his legs. Let's thicken those borders. Ho, ho, ho! Ta-da! Our Santa is ready to paint. Let's use a classic red for Santa's hat and his costume. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yay! Keep painting. You're doing a great job. Make the costume shiny and bright with this shimmering white. Use the shimmering white on his beard too. Back to the costume. Yes, just like that. Use shimmering peach color for his face. Use sparkling black on the hands and the belt and then the shoes. Awesome! And some yellow for the buckle. Ho, ho, ho! Here is our Santa Claus. Let's move on to the reindeer. Start with the cap. And move on to the horns. And now, let's draw his ears, face, and his eyes. Don't forget the nose and his cute smile. Time to draw his body. Keep drawing. Time to darken the borders. Let's paint. Use shiny brown for the horns. And red for the cap. And use red for the scarf. Use a lighter shade of brown for the ears all the way to his face? Yes, just like that. Use the same color for his body as well. Did you know reindeers helped Santa pull his sleigh? Let's switch to a lighter shade of yellow for the remaining parts. Don't forget to paint his tongue pink. Great job! Our reindeer is ready! What should we draw next? That's right, a Christmas tree! Start drawing a star and let's go forward with the leaves. Continue drawing 3 sections of leaves. And then a small stem. Next, let's draw some baubles on the tree. You can use your own creativity here. Don't forget to darken the border. Time to add some colors. A shiny yellow for the star. Use glittery green for the leaves. Oh, Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Beautiful! Keep going. Use brown for the stem and paint the baubles with different colors. And here is our Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, everyone! See you next time!